Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren King, Ellekae, and today I have a little bit of an unboxing for you. It's about 100 degrees outside, and I thought, what a beautiful day to stay in and film a quick little video. Let's see. I'm gonna start with this that I actually already opened and used yesterday. So it's the Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For Mineral Matte CC Cream. So this is already a cult product, but I had never used it myself. I used it yesterday, and like, you know when you're zoning out putting your makeup on, I suddenly had done like a tick 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 tick, like put on so much product that by the time I realized what I was doing and I was looking in the mirror, I was like, oh shit. So I was trying to rub it in, and I assumed it would be like the Laura Mercier tinted moisturizers where it's kind of sheer coverage and it like soaks into your skin nicely. But the CC cream, I think CC creams in general are a lot more pigmented or a lot higher coverage. So I was like rubbing it in, putting it on my neck, putting it on my hands, trying to wash my hands, but I think it must be waterproof because it was just sitting on top of my skin. Like I could not get it off for the life of me. Just disclaimer, a little bit goes a really long way, although it does do everything it promised. Like my imperfections were blurred, my under eye circles were gone, and this was the only thing that I wore. I didn't wear concealer or I didn't have my eyebrows on. Like I literally just threw this on and left the house, and I got so many compliments. So it works great, but just use a little tiny little amount. Next, I have a box from Dr. Jart. These are the Shake and Shot to Go Shake It Up, Give Skin a Shot with a Shaking Rubber Mask. I've actually used this once before. I bought it for my boyfriend and I to use. I think we had the hydrating one. So this is what I believe the full set looks like. They've got an instant brightening, an instant firming, an instant hydration, and an instant soothing. So the packaging is crazy. You open it up and you sort of like mix it yourself, like a little scientist kit. So you've got the, Shake and Shot Rubber Hydro Mask. This is like the liquid portion. And then you've also got this Super Booster. So what you do is you mix number 1 Super Booster with number 2, the Hydro Liquid Ampoule. I still don't know how to say that word. So you mix it in here and then you shake it really hard for I believe like 30 seconds. And then with the spatula you apply it, you leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then it becomes rubbery. So it goes from like sort of like a liquid paste to a rubbery thing that you can essentially just peel off in one go if you try hard. So not only is this a really good mask because I love Dr. Jart products, but it's super fun too. So if you have company or you do masks with your best friend or your boyfriend, it's definitely a fun one. Here's another product that I've actually already opened and I'm using it right now. They sent it to me I think about 2 weeks ago, and I just opened it, not even on Instagram stories or anything. I just opened it and started using it immediately. And it's a really heavy palette, which to me usually means quality. And then you open it up and you have your shades. I like this because there are a lot of warmer shades like orange and brown, which I've really been feeling for summer. And then you get into like the really deep purples and the deep emerald greens. There's matte in here and there's also metallic. So you can really create any kind of look with this. It would be really good to travel with this because you wouldn't need anything else. So right now I'm wearing Baja in my crease, which is like an orange color, and I'm also using Blaze, which is kind of like a goldish shimmer right here on my inner lid. This also came with 3 lipsticks and 3 eyeliners, but because I opened it so hastily, I actually can't find them. I think the eyeliners were like an emerald green and some really nice tan colors, so pretty good. And next we have, this is the Dior Skin Forever Perfect Makeup Everlasting Wear Pore Refining Effect with Sunscreen. So this is their new foundation with sunscreen and shine control. I actually have dry skin, so I'm not sure how this is gonna work for me, but I hear really, really good things about it. Beautiful packaging, obviously, because it's Dior. I chose the shade 30. I just chose this shade from online, so I'm not sure if it's going to be a little bit too dark for me, but worst case, I can use it to contour. It's got a really nice, light perfumed scent. It smells kind of like luxurious, like when you go to the department store. And it's definitely too dark for me, but I'm excited to use it for liquid contour, which I think is a lot more natural looking anyway. So you can see what it looks like on my skin. It feels really smooth and like it's blending in pretty easily. I love that smell. Let me wipe this off really quick and then we will move on. And next we have a box from LVMH, which usually means Givenchy. They are custom ROUGE lipsticks and available in 8 gorgeous leather shades only on the brand new floor at the Saks Fifth Avenue flagship store in New York City. You cannot find these exclusive lipsticks online or anywhere else in the US. Oh, that's so cool. So you actually have it personalized on site with hot stamping at the counter. So these are the ones that they sent me because obviously I'm not in New York, I'm in Los Angeles. But if you were to go, you could have anything put on these caps. You could have your name, a cute saying that's special to you. I mean, it could really be anything. So that's actually a really cute, idea before I threw it on the ground. So it's just the lipstick cover, there's no lipstick in it, and it says, I am iconic. And this pink one says, I am irresistible. And this blue one says, I am edgy. And it came with a matte lip color. So it came with this I am classic. The I am classic is the color 306 in Carmen, which is like a really nice kind of intense red, kind of like an orangey red, which is perfect for summer. And now we have this box, which I think is a new cleansing brush. This is the CLARISONIC Mio 1. It is a 1-speed gentle sonic cleansing brush. So it oscillates to help reveal soft, smooth, radiant, healthy looking skin. I actually use a cleansing brush now, but I've had it for like 5 years. It barely buzzes anymore, and it's just like some off-brand thing that I've been overdue for one of these. Also, CLARISONIC made one of the first ever cleansing brushes, like kind of made it a thing. There are so many to choose from now, but this is the OG. So you have your brush, and you can buy different heads depending on like sensitivity, I think. So this is it without the brush on it, just, this is it without the head on it, just oscillating. And it's super gentle. So I think I just, super easy, snap it on. And you would just like gently rub this on your face with a cleanser and warm water, and it would take off all your makeup for you, clean your face for you. It also came with this pore and blemish gel cleanser with 2% salicylic acid acne treatment. So I've never used this product before, and I do occasionally break out, so I'll give this a try. And last but not least, I have this really heavy box, and it says Passport to K-Beauty. Ever since my Korea travel vlog, I've been getting so many comments about when are you going to do a skincare routine, what's your favorite K-pop song, what's your favorite K-beauty product. So I'm excited to get this in and then we give you guys a new review. So it looks like it's a little like vanity case with drawers. There is a huge mirror and it says be bold even when bare. Hashtag brave pretty. And it's got a little skincare itinerary. So it's basically telling you how to double cleanse and then protect and then treat, which would be like a mask. And there's all these cute little tips like for day trips or for nighttime or for pre-flight, because when you fly your skin gets really, really dry. So we've got the Julep No Excuses Invisible Sunscreen Gel for face. This is SPF 40, so this would be for daytime protect. And we also have a triple quench face mask. Also from Julep. I think this whole box is from Julep actually. So you do essence, which preps the skin for maximum absorption, and then you do the biocellulose gel sheet mask, which deeply hydrates and repairs, and then you do the sleeping pack, which seals in nutrients and hydration while you sleep. I love masks that are multiple steps. I feel like you get so much out of it. And then in the hydrate drawer, you have a bunch of things. You've got like a depuffing gel eye cream, you've got a Dream Bake Nightly Renewal Serum with BHA, which is an acid, I think BHA is an exfoliating acid, or is that AHA? Don't quote me on that. And then you've also got the Pressed Serum Daily Moisturizer, the Restorative Facial Milk, and the Reparative Rosehip Seed Facial Oil. So facial oils, I love. This is everything you need to stay hydrated. And then you've got the cleanse. So there is a cognac sponge, which is all natural, and this is to help gently exfoliate and take off all your makeup. And then you have the cleansing oil and the cleansing stick. So this will be the 2-step washing routine. So that was it for today's unboxing. I also have a few giveaways going on Instagram. If you don't follow me already there, my screen name is @Ellekae. That's ELLE_KAE. So I've got one giveaway for ASARA New York skincare, which is a probiotic line of skincare products. There's like a mask, an eye cream, I think there's like 6 or 7 products. You get the whole entire line. So all you have to do is find that photo, comment on it, tag a friend, super easy. And then I have another giveaway on Instagram with Sprouts and Drink Koya, which is sort of like a plant-based, I can't talk today, plant-based nutrition drink, like smoothie. I had the horchata, which was basically like almond milk cinnamon horchata, really, really good. So anyway, if you find that photo, all you have to do is click the link in my bio, fill out your personal information like your email, really easy, and then you can win a $100 gift card to Sprouts and also a case of Drink Koya. I think that's all I have for you today. So thank you for watching, and as always, if you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe down below. Thank you.